Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notification about traffic information on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Click on Notifications. And then you should scroll down a bit, and here you can find this traffic feature that you can enable by tapping on this button, and then click on the traffic button at the top on the right side. And here you can also set the sound notification if you would like to get notified with sound about the upcoming traffic. And down below you can also select the sound alert. Here you have the options. Click on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.